Hello, my name is Martin Solorio, and today I'm going to demonstrate the functionality of a console-based calculator application that I've developed. I've called it ChavviCalc. So this program, the purpose is to basically support basic arithmetic operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, division, and some extra commands like clearing values, displaying the results of the operations and quitting the application. So let's get started. So I've opened a new terminal down here and I'm gonna run the command to basically start the program. Since I've been using it already, I basically just use the up arrow and it shows up here. So I run this command, click enter. And as you see down here, it basically it's starting our program. So I will now demonstrate how to set values of A and B and basically run subtraction, multiplication, division, and displaying the last result and clearing values and then just finally quitting. So let's start with the first one. Let's set the value of A. So enter command, I enter A and it's asking me for a value of A. So for that one, let's just go with 10. And then we go on to the next one. So B, enter command. For that one, let's go with 5. Okay, so now we have our current values are set at A is 10 and B is 5. So let's start with the first one, which will be to add these two figures together. So for that, we just the addition sign. And as you can see up here, it's basically adding these two and telling you what oh, sorry, that's up here. So the result of A plus B is 15. So that looks like it's working correctly. We move on to the next one, subtraction. And again, it's so 10 minus 5 is 5, and that's showing this up here. Let's see, multiplication, asterisk, you'll enter an asterisk for that. And again, 10 times 5 is 50, so that's correct. And now let's try division. So for division, it's slash, and this is correct. 10 divided by 5 is 2. There's also written in the code if like the user tries to divide by 0. So for that one, let's see. We can enter B to have the prompt ask us to reset the command, the initial value for B. I'm sorry. So for that one, let's do 0. And now we're going to try division again. So 10 divided by 0, and let's see what it says. And it tells us there's an error. You cannot divide by 0. So that's also working correctly. To display the last value, that would be an equal sign. And prior to reassigning the value of 0 to B, we had divided it 10 by 5, so that's correct. It's 2. Now to clear our values and reset, you can just enter C. And it tells you up here values have been reset. So we know that is working correctly. And finally, to quit the program, you would just enter the letter Q. And yep, it says exiting ChavviCal and goodbye. So we know that the program has successfully closed. So that concludes this demo for the program ChavviCalc. As demonstrated, this calculator can handle basic arithmetic operations, displaying the result, clearing values by entering C. It handles errors like dividing by 0 by accurately by displaying them on the screen. So it tells you can't have 0 as a value. So yeah, thank you for watching this demo.